Palamig muna tayo.
Ito na po kami sa Tugonon Falls guys. Malamig ang tubig dito guys. So maliligo tayo. Lalakad muna kami guys. So merong maliit na falls dito guys. So, ito.
Shouldn't hesitate about my feelings for you.
Hindi pa ito ang falls na malaki guys. So paakyat pa tayo doon sa ano.
Ways to I hope.
Maglalakad pa tayo ng 3 minutes para makaabot tayo sa ano, sa Tugonon Falls guys. So, tara, let's go. So ito na po kami guys. Narating na din namin ang Tugonon Falls guys. So ito na pala ang resulta ng Tugonon Falls guys. Ang daming naniligo guys. So ang mga bata guys. So silent mode muna tayo.
I said hey, hey yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun. Now it's not the right time to get serious. Now it's not the right time. Now it's not the right time, baby. I don't wanna seem mysterious. Give me time and time, I'll be forever set myself on free. But whenever you come walking my way, I say hey, hey yeah, I love you till the morning comes. Ooh, I say hey, hey yeah.
Ito pala si Fritz guys. So nanguhuli siya ng isda para may makakain tayo. Ano? So ang nahuli niya walang balat guys. So you know, kitang-kita yan, walang balat.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Guys, nagprepare na sila sa pagluluto guys. So mamaya maliligo tayo guys. Meron silang handa dito guys. Yan ang huli ni Fritz kanina guys. So konti lang, 6 na piraso lang nahuli niyang isda. So guys, ito na.
The love we share is so strong. I know that we both belong. But whenever you come walking my way, I say hey, hey yeah, I love you till the morning.
Eh kasi naman kayo ayaw nyo kumuha ng katulong para mabilis sa trabaho nyo.
Kanin nating mais. So ate, ang bingi ni ate.
Cause whenever you come walking my way, I'll say I said hey, hey yeah, I love you till the morning comes. I said hey, hey yeah, I'll kiss you in the morning sun.
Nalingat na lang.
Shouldn't hesitate about my feelings for you. I've proven so many times and different ways to I hope somewhere deep inside you know that I love you. 'Cause whenever
pauwi na po kami guys. So malayo pa ang lalakarin namin. So, ito po ang